Hi everyone, I'm Maria-Lina Hedlund, CFO of Modvion. Our purpose is to accelerate the transition to renewable energy and materials, and we do this by bringing to market the next generation of cost-efficient tall towers in engineered wood, nature's carbon fiber. Since the earliest days of modern wind power, there has been the trend that wind turbines are growing in size. For good reason. Larger turbines are more cost efficient and increase the energy output per land area. And higher turbines reach better, more stable winds, which means an enormous increase in number of suitable sites. So what is limiting this trend? Logistics. Conventional towers are conical cylinders, and higher towers ideally require larger base diameters. But roads and bridges are not growing, greatly increasing the challenges in transporting these to site. Therefore, at Modvion, we are making modular towers, which are transported in pieces and assembled at site. And we use a modern, more suitable material, engineered wood. Steel is, as I'm sure you all know, very strong per volume, but wind towers are essentially empty inside, so increasing wall thickness is not a problem. So steel may be stronger per volume, but wood has higher specific strength per weight, something that becomes increasingly important as the towers grow taller and taller. On top of this, there's the climate aspect of using wood. It stores carbon dioxide. Plus, producing a wooden tower requires 90% less carbon dioxide emissions than a traditional one in steel. This is a big deal because total life cycle emissions of wind power are dominated by raw materials and components, and the tower itself is by far the largest climate impact and accounts for 25% of the total. By changing from steel to wood, we don't just decrease that number, we reverse it to become negative. At Modvion, we erected our first tower, a 30-meter tall prototype, last year, and thanks to EU funding through the EIC Accelerator pilot program, we are now building our first commercial-sized tower to be installed next year. With this, we have earned the attention and support from industry leaders such as Vestas, Enel and Vattenfall. But to be able to answer to this market interest and to reduce carbon emissions on scale, we need to ramp up production. The transition to renewable energy and materials needs to be accelerated. Thanks to EU funding, we at Modvion are showcasing the next generation of wind turbine towers. Now we need to take the next step to build large-scale, sustainable production in Europe that will make a real climate impact.